So guys, I'm on a trade on gold currently, and we are currently on $40 in profit on the $250 account. My balance is $250, and I'm in $40 in profit already. So I want to be showing you this trade which I entered and why I entered this trade, the analysis I did which made me enter this trade. So this is gold. I'm showing gold currently. You can see the charts, you can see the market condition. I'm going to show you how I did this analysis and what I'm expecting price to head to. So guys, as you can see right at this point, the market was uptrending on this 4-hour time frame. Now you can see right here, you can see the market went up, support, resistance, forming an uptrend, highs and lows, higher high, higher low. You can see that. Then at this point, the market got to this point, started consolidating. The market started consolidating at this point, got down, formed this support which you're seeing right here, and went up again, consolidate, formed another support which you're seeing right here, which is the resistance, the top resistance area, the lower resistance forming. You can see the swing highs and the swing lows which you're seeing right on the screen. So let me tell you the reason why I entered this trade. So as you can see at the top resistance area, and the price is currently at this top resistance area. So I entered this trade around this spot, which you're seeing right here. So I'm expecting price to break this top resistance level. So you can see that first of all we had if you look closely, you can see we had a trend breakout, guys. We had a trend breakout which you're seeing right here. We had a trend breakout. So the market broke out of this trend, and now we now have this strong bullish candlestick, which is signifying that buyers are really having a strong momentum on the market. The buyers are really in control of the market. So see this candlestick. First, we had this breakout on. You see that we had a retest. This small candlestick retest back to the downside, and had this green bullish candlestick close it up. Now have another long bullish candlestick that just strike up to the upside. That went up with force up to the upside. Then you can see it now at this resistance, at this top resistance level. So right now I'm expecting price to break and maybe take my profits at the price should heads up to some extent. I'll take my profits after the market break a little bit. Then if I should see any sign of reversal, I can close the trade, but I'm expecting a breakout to the upside. I think price to at least heads up to some, maybe heads up more to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting price to do. So I'm going to update you guys on how the market plays. So let me still move on to the 1 hour time frame to show you that how I confirm this entry. You can see that on the 1 hour time frame, you can see price closed this bearish candlestick. Price closes with this green candlestick, and now price is about to close this one. In the next, in the next 5 minutes, price is going to close this green candlestick, and price is eventually going to break. So price is going to break, surely going to break this zone, this top resistance zone, and at least head up to a decent area. You see that the market, and you can see on the 1 hour time frame, the market was uptrending. You can see that the market was on the uptrend. You can see that. So this $250 account, I'm currently in profits of around $40 something. So you're gonna see how the market plays. The market was an uptrend. You can see that the market is in an uptrend. A little uptrend that is expecting price to at least break the zone and heads up to some decent extent. Then I can go out of this trade. So currently, guys, let's see, we're still on the trade, guys. So I'll update you guys on how this trade plays. So guys, we won this trade on gold, as you can see. We won this trade on gold, as you can see. Price, first of all, I entered this trade around this this zone which you're seeing right here. Enter this trade around this zone, and price went down to some extent and got to this particular point. So my stop loss was around this zone. So I shifted my stop loss to around this zone. Then you can see price then finally made a retracement a little bit, almost to this resistance area, this little bit resistance area. Then retrace back to the upside. So at this point, this was where I saw that the market formed weakness. So I took my profit I went out of the market at this zone. You can see that I went out of the market at this zone. So we scale down to the 1 hour time frame. So as we scale down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the market was also forming. It's currently still forming the weakness. As it formed this first weakness, this first candlestick, I started noticing the weakness, so I then went out at this point. I think so. I went out of the trade right at this zone. Then went out with a $90 profit. The trade went exactly as I thought, exactly as I analyzed. So you won the trade. So if you want to learn more about forex trading, get my trading course, or you can join my Telegram signals. I share free signals right in that Telegram channel, or you can still join my VIP. If you want to make profits as I make, click the link in the bio and join the Telegram channel below. See you on another video. Hope you learned something from this simple break of structure strategy and other block strategy. So see you on another video. Peace out.